Welcome to our look at Switched on Schoolhouse Spanish 1. The Alpha Omega Publications Spanish language courses focus on a blend of Spanish vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure, conversational language instruction, and a study of the geography and culture of Spain and the Spanish-speaking countries of Latin America. The lessons follow twins Sophie and Charlie on their travels to Spanish-speaking countries in Central and South America and the Caribbean. Alpha Omega's foreign language lessons offer text-based instruction, along with a wide variety of engaging multimedia presentations. Interactive audiovisual components are all designed to enhance the text-based instruction and build basic skills in reading, writing, hearing, and speaking the foreign language.
Peru,
The instructional
Bolivia,
methods employed in Alpha Omega
Paraguay,
foreign language courses
Argentina,
model and encourage correct
Chile,
pronunciation and language fluency, building good habits into students. Let's take a look at a lesson from Spanish 1 called En clase. In this lesson, students will study some of the vocabulary and verb forms used when talking about the classroom and studying. As we work through the lesson, we'll pay close attention to the instructional methods that are used to encourage mastery of lesson material. Let's look at the first activity in the lesson. In it, the student is asked to click on the sentence and use what they already know to make educated guesses about what Sophie is doing in that frame. Let's take a look.
saca el libro. Saca un lápiz y papel. Abre el libro. Haz los ejercicios.
The objective for this lesson is apply new and previously taught phrases in Spanish. The puzzle matching test is one type of activity that is used throughout the Spanish lessons. After reading the sentence about things that might happen in a classroom, the puzzle matching tests below are used to match Spanish terms with their English translations as the student uses what they know to guess at the meaning of words used in the sentences. Let's try it. In most lessons, students will encounter a vocabulary link that opens a printable page of keyboard shortcuts for Spanish characters, as well as a list of Spanish expressions and translations from the lesson. After being encouraged to print and study this list daily, and a reminder from Charlie about how to use the list, the student is presented with the opportunity to review with several activities. First, students can play whack-a-mole. Just click the mole that has the correct answer to the question that is asked. Points are given for correct answers given before the time runs out. Students can reset the game and play again until they have mastered the material. After a goodbye message,
Que pases un buen día.
your student is presented with a series of questions that provide a review of lesson content. Questions are presented in a variety of formats. Answers are automatically saved as the student works through the questions, with 85 to 90% of student work being graded immediately by the program. A student is given the opportunity to reattempt questions that were answered incorrectly the first time through the lesson. The lesson is complete when the student has answered all questions correctly or he has exhausted his allowed attempts.